After successfully launching the instance, copy the public IP address. Open your command prompt or terminal to SSH into your instance. Navigate to the NeevCloud docs to installation process of Nginx. Once logged in, update your package list and upgrade installed packages. Next, install the Nginx by executing command. Start Nginx and enable it to launch on boot with these commands. To confirm that Nginx is running, check Nginx default port. Open your web browser and enter your instance's IP address. Default Nginx landing page.